Attention AP Physics 1 students and educators! Exciting news ahead! AP Physics 1 is evolving with game-changing updates. Brace for 8 units, including fluids, as Unit 8. Explore enhanced connections between rotational and translational motion, new power equations, and equations for simple harmonic motion. Science practices are now uncoupled, offering more question variety. Exam updates: 40 MCQs. Goodbye to multi-select. Section 1 time reduced to 80 minutes. 4 revamped FRQs with new question types. Plus, Section 2 time increased to 100 minutes. Brought to you by Consultifly, your best AP Physics classes online. Gear up for a brighter AP Physics future. For more details, check out the caption.